Dude.
Hello?
Hey, what up, nigga?
What's up? Who's this?
Hey, nigga, we at the cabin, nigga. We ready for you, yo.
Who is this?
We at the cabin, dog. It's Gusto Cheeks, baby. It's Gusto Cheeks, baby. If I knew your girl, she'd be in my bed. You know, Gusto Cheeks, baby. Come on now, nigga. Don't act like you don't know. Fuck. That motherfucker hung up quick. That was good, too.